Welcome to the online workshop on auction deliveries in Floriday. In this workshop, we will show you step-by-step how you can easily create auction deliveries, how you can use Clock Presales, and how you can work efficiently with templates. Before you start with auction deliveries, it is important that your trade items have already been created in the catalog. If you haven't done this yet, check out the online workshop about the catalog first. If you only want to use the auction delivery functions and do not want to sell your items through the direct sales, you can activate the clock mode in Floriday. You can activate clock mode by clicking on settings at the top right of the screen. Then choose system. Here you can choose between the clock and the advanced mode. The clock mode keeps things simple and excludes direct sales options. In this video, we keep the settings on advanced mode. You can set preferences for creating auction delivery forms. You can find this under Preferences and then Fulfillment. Click on the Clock Delivery Preferences. If you enter these settings here, you do not have to enter them again when creating a next auction delivery form. You can choose your default auction location, and there is also the option to enable additional options, such as remarks, which enable a field so that you can provide a comment to your auctioneer. Let's start creating an auction delivery. Use the menu to go to Supply and then choose Auction. Click on Create Auction Delivery. Select the correct dispatch location and auction location. The auction date defaults to the next auction day, which you can change if you want to work ahead. Then choose the auction group. If you do not know which auction group belongs to your items, please check with your auctioneer. You can optionally add the carrier. It's optional, so you can also leave this field empty. We continue with the choice to create a one-batch delivery, a large batch delivery, or a mixed batch delivery. When you create a one-batch delivery, this concerns a delivery of one auction trolley with one type of trade item. If you choose a large batch, this will involve a delivery of several auction trolleys, still with one type of trade item. If you opt for a mixed batch, you can add multiple items, as long as they fit on one auction trolley. To add a trade item, you can do two things. Look up the desired article in the search bar, or go to the catalog via the folder. You can select multiple items at the same time via the catalog. To find the right article faster, you can use the search bar or the many filter options after clicking on the funnel. Once you have finished selecting the items, click Confirm. Now you can enter per item how many packages you want to supply, how many pieces are in a package, and what the minimum price is before it is withdrawn. When you use the clock function in Floriday, you also have the option to use templates. Templates allow you to save a composition of an auction delivery form and reuse it later. This can provide a lot of speed. If you have added one or more articles to the letter, the Save as Template button will become clickable. Once you click on the Save button, you can indicate whether you want to overwrite an existing template or create a new template. Are you creating a new template? Then give it a recognizable name so that you can easily find it again. Click Save so that you can always use the template from now on when creating an auction delivery. While creating your auction delivery, you can immediately complete the Clock Presale. With Clock Presale, you can sell flowers or plants in small numbers, often at a better price than at the auction. This gives buyers complete flexibility, and they can easily make detailed purchases. You can sell a maximum of 50% of your clock supply via Clock Presale from 12 o'clock noon until 5:55 a.m. the next day, just before the clocking process starts. You do this in the field of the auction delivery form under Clock Presales. When you click on Print and Send, you complete the delivery form and you have finalized the clock delivery. If you leave the Clock Presale field empty when completing the auction letter, you can still enter the Clock Presale prices afterwards for all your deliveries at once. Click in the menu on Supply, then choose Auction and select the tab Clock Presales. Once you have sent the auction delivery form, you will find the items for Clock Presale here. Enter the prices you want and click Save. You could also enter the settings regarding the Clock Presale percentage here. You do this by clicking on the three dots, going to Settings, and then entering the percentage clock presales you want to offer. When you are done, click on Apply. Once you have created an auction delivery form, you may want to correct something later. With the auction function within Floriday, it is possible to correct and cancel your auction letters, even if they have already been sent to the auction. To do this, go in the Floriday menu and choose Fulfillment. Then click on Delivery Orders and select the Delivery Forms tab. Here you will see an overview of all the delivery forms you have created. You can choose whether you want to see an overview per day, per week, per month, or select a custom time frame. In addition, it is possible to filter by auction location or search on document references. Find the delivery form you want to correct and click on it. You will see what is currently on the delivery form. Now make the desired changes, for example changing the number of packages. Once you have entered the change, click on the button at the bottom, Submit Correction. The correction is now sent to the auction and you can print the new, corrected delivery form. You do this by clicking on the Delivery Form Preview button and then on the Print button. You can also cancel a delivery form via Floriday. You can do this in the same screen as the corrections. Find the letter you want to delete. Click on the 3 dots next to the letter and choose Delete in the pop-up menu. I hope that after watching this online workshop you can get started with creating delivery forms in Floriday. Do you have any questions? Do not hesitate to contact our support via the support chat or search for your question in the Help Center. Good luck!